Join me today as we view this breathtaking country home nestled discreetly in the Cotswold Hills in the United Kingdom. This home features 9 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and it is a Grade 2 listed home. This is the perfect home for entertaining. It has even hosted Queen Elizabeth1 in its days. There is just something so incredibly tranquil about this property. I would love to know your thoughts on this. If this is the type of home you could see yourself in, please let me know in the comments. Not only does this home feature stables, but you would have your very own indoor swimming pool as well as tennis courts. This home makes me feel so peaceful when I look at these pictures. It's just absolutely stunning. I wish I had more information on it, but if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.